this new update about storytelling in PowerPoint?
Storytelling in PowerPoint has actually always been a feature within the Power BI service. You've always been able to export to PowerPoint and embed a live image. But now this is more of an enhancement to that feature. So you can continue to embed live reports inside of your PowerPoints and actually click, filter, cross-filter reports directly inside of your PowerPoint. Now, the new enhancement is really around embedding an image of that report into PowerPoint. And so the idea is that you can embed a public image or a live image. A public image can be viewed by anybody looking at that PowerPoint slide. So if you have data within there that you have embedded as a public image, they can view it all. The alternative is what's called a live image. And a live image actually prompts the user to log into that report prior to seeing the visualization. So if you have some complex data security requirements, then you may want to visit that live embed feature where you have to prompt users to log in from PowerPoint before they see the report.
That sounds really neat, Dennis. So I can either have my report be updated with live data every time, or that static image you were talking about. And I also have the control of who needs to log in to see what I'm doing or not.
Exactly. So now you have quite a few options if you want to embed your reports within PowerPoint.